people don't quit jobs, they quit managers. Life is too short to deal with passive-aggressive and negative managers that say one thing and then they do something else. I don't know about you, but I don't really love it when people with a management title try to lord it over my head or bully me into submission. Or dump their workload on me and then justify it as delegating to the team. My respect just took a plummet through the floor. Managers like this completely kill the potential in a team. It turns off good workers who can contribute and actually grow the company and move it forward. It happens because micromanagey bullshit becomes intolerable. The constant bitching and complaining eventually gets tuned out, as working with these types of managers is the last thing anybody on the team wants to do. I'd rather have no job than work with someone this difficult. So people leave, which creates high staff turnover, putting more pressure on the team that have to pick up the slack and pushing back other projects that basically just impact the overall workload. Like, we're all wondering, at what point does the manager get fired? Because anyone who respects themselves, which is the people you want on the team, can't work for somebody who treats others like shit and then tries to justify it.